would never throw the towel in. Instead of dreaming, I've been purchasing the diamonds. I'm starting to see it, but before I couldn't find shit. Instead of wasting minutes, let me tell you what the time is. Time to cut the bullshit and get a plan. Time to start deleting all these bitches with a greedy hand. Finally become who I've been telling y'all I really am. Climb up to the top and had it bitches saying, really man. Damn, can I change from last change to cash game? Driving fast cars, 50 gallons in my gas tank. Model type bras, calling bitches by their last name. Acting like a boss, Louboutin at the back claim. Cause nowadays they expecting receipts. Maybe they'll say I'm nice, now they know what's fresher than me. Inspecting my seats, don't know what y'all expecting to see. Cause I've been living in this car, night slept in a week. Yeah.
I bring you diamond rings and things right through your door. For your love to fill you with delight. I'll give you diamonds. There'll be days that will excite. They'll make you dream of me at night.
I try to tell them I was bad as shit, but they ain't listen. Now these haters disappearing like I'm back in trick. I never feared them, it was sorta like I had an itch. That's just what happens when a nigga spit crack and shit. You gotta change, you better rap it quick. Don't let the demons hold your hand and walk you straight into the fire pits. That's when they trick you, make you think that's what a diamonds is. That's when they get you, I'ma show them what a riot is. Fast women don't last with them, they in and out. Burger joint bitches, I'm last picking, it's sad, isn't it? They acting like I got no common sense. All in my face